What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to learn how to play Somebody That I Used to Know by Gotye, or Gotye. Gotye. We're going to go with Gotye. We're going to learn it on the good old uke. But before we dive into this tutorial, I just want to mention a few things. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that red subscribe button below. It looks a little bit like this. Click it, it will turn gray. Also, if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, hit the bell icon right next to the subscribe icon. And one of the most important things that you could do if you really want to help me out for this channel on YouTube is to give this video a big old thumbs up. That basically tells YouTube that, hey, this video is awesome, people are liking it, let's share it out to more people. So give this video a thumbs up if you really do love this channel and like these videos. Also, make sure to follow me on Patreon. I'll put the link in the description below. If you want to support this channel, that's where you would do it. And then finally, follow me on Instagram. It's just at Ricky Somborn. Go follow me. I think we have now 51,000 Instagram family members, so I would love for you to join. Say hi, send me a DM, let's chat. But let's get all that promo stuff out of the way, and now let's dive into this tutorial. So one more thing before we dive into this tutorial. If you're like, wow, Ricky, this uke is very pretty, I want to know more about it. Well, this is the Kumu ukulele. It is in tenor size, and it's absolutely amazing. As you can see in the headstock, there's a lot of detail. It's just an absolutely amazing ukulele, and I absolutely love it. If you do want to get this one, if you're interested in buying for a friend or for yourself, I'll put a link in the description below. It's just www.leolaniukulele.com. And a really exciting thing is I've talked to the team over at Leolani Kumu, and they said that just for you guys, if you want to get 10% off your purchase, just use this code Ricky2020 at checkout, and you will get 10% off your order, which is absolutely crazy. And this is going to go on for a while, so definitely go check it out. If you had your eye on Kumu's and you're like, I don't know if I want to spend money on it, but obviously this is such a great uke, high quality, and 10% off. It's pretty good, not gonna lie. So definitely go check it out if you want to. But yeah, let's go get into this tutorial now. So this song is fairly easy in that it only has 3 chords, and they are D minor, C, and finally B flat. So if you're like, Ricky, I know how to play those chords, let's go on to the strumming and the mini play along. Well, don't worry, I'm gonna put a skip to right here so you can skip to wherever your little heart desires. If you wanna just skip ahead, you're not gonna hurt my feelings if you do. But if you're like, Ricky, I don't know what a B flat is, or I don't know how to play a C, don't worry, that is why this video exists. So if you don't know how to play any of those chords, let's go ahead and go step by step on how we play them, and then let's move on to strumming. So before we dive into the chords, and if you're super new to playing the ukulele, let's make sure to pick up our uke, and we're gonna just quickly talk about how we number the strings and the frets. So let's pick up our uke, and the top string, we're gonna name the 4th string. The next one down is gonna be the 3rd. The next one down is gonna be the 2nd. And the last one at the bottom, this one, is going to be the 1st string. And then you see on the fretboard, you have these lines, right? These are going to be separating the frets. So this is the 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and then so on. So that's gonna make it a lot easier when I talk about finger placement for each chord. So now let's go ahead and dive into the individual chords. So the first chord that we're gonna learn is the C chord. So how I like to play the C chord is I like to take my ring finger and place it on the 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we're gonna learn is the D minor chord, and how I like to play it is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and then I like to take my middle finger and I like to place it over the 4th and the 3rd string on the 2nd fret. So basically you're just kind of using the fattier portion of the tip of your finger and kind of going over those 2 chords, and it should sound like this. And the last chord that we're going to learn is the B flat chord, and this one might seem a little bit tricky, but Again, with practice, you will totally get it. So how I like to play it is I like to take my pointer finger and I like to go over the second and the first string. So the two bottom strings on the first fret. Then I take my middle finger and I place it on the third string, second fret. And then I take my ring finger and I place it on the fourth string, again is the top string, fourth string, third fret, and it should sound like this. And if you're getting sort of a muty sound like this, that just means that you're not pressing down hard enough. So if you're having troubles with this finger being right here, you can always bar the entire first fret with your finger. I want to try and show you. So just bar that and then put your fingers on the other two, which is the middle finger on the second string. The middle finger on the third string, second fret, and then your ring finger on the fourth string, third fret. And so you're basically barring the entire thing, and it should sound like this. So there's different ways that you can do it. So either doing the first one, and again, if you get sort of that muty sound, which sometimes I do as well, you just make sure you're pressing harder on the chords, down on the chords. So those are the chords that you're going to need for this song, and now let's talk about strumming. Alright, so as you can see, I moved a little bit to my left, just so I can have more space to visually show you of what the strumming pattern is going to be. So the basic strumming pattern that we're going to learn for this song and use is the down, down, up, down, up. But instead of using that chord pattern for each chord, we're going to split that in half. So the first section of that strumming pattern, which is the down, down, we're going to use that for the D minor. So it's going to be D minor, down, down, switch to C, up, up, down, up. So if you do it a little bit faster, it'd be like this. So this might be a little bit confusing at first, but just practice. So again, let's put on our D minor chord down, which is gonna go down, down, switch to C, up, up, down, up. Let's do it one more time. In 3, 2, 1, down, down, switch to C, up, up, down, up. So let's do it a little bit quicker. And if you need more time, pause the video and just rewind and just keep on practicing that. But let's do it a little bit quicker now. And I'm going to put the chords on the screen that you should be switching to, or you should be playing to. Maybe I'll also put the arrows and maybe color them differently for each chord. I'll do it in post and make it look easier visually for you as well. So in 3, 2, 1, we're gonna start off with the D minor. In 3, 2, 1. Finish off. So that is the strumming pattern for this song. Again, it might seem a little bit tricky in the beginning, but don't worry, with practice, you're going to get it just down. But yeah, that is it for the strumming. And now let's see how everything kind of goes together. And I'm gonna do a mini play along, or show you a mini play along of a song. But if you do want to watch the full play along that I did for this song, make sure to hit the icon right up here, right there. It'll say click here for full play along. Make sure to click that and watch. Leave some love on that video as well. I really love it because I really do like how it turned out. Not to be all self-conceited. Is that the word? I don't know, but I liked it. Even though I did it, I know I should, I don't know, I'm rambling, but just go watch it. Leave some love on that video. Maybe do like a secret comment, do like fire emojis in the comments. If you came from this tutorial, I will know that you watched this far. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the tutorial. Now let's just go into the mini play along. I don't know, today has been weird. I haven't had coffee yet, but let's go into the mini play along in 3, 2, 1. Now and then I think of when we were together, like when you said you felt so happy you could die. I told myself that you were right for me, but felt so lonely in your company. That was love and it's an ache I still remember. You can be addicted to a certain kind of sadness, like resignation to the end, always the end. So when we found out we could not make sense, well, you said that we could still be friends. But I'll admit that I was glad it was over. So that is it. That is how you play Somebody I Used to Know by Gotye. We're gonna still go with Gotye. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Also, if you've watched this far in the video and you haven't clicked the red subscribe button, what are you doing? Click it down below. It looks a little bit like this. Click it. It'll turn gray. Also turn on post notifications. Again, thank you so much for Kumu for sending me this absolutely beauty of a uke. Absolutely love it. Again, use code Ricky2020 to get 10% off your purchase. Again, link will be in the description below. Also, I'll just pop it up right here. Just leolaniukulele.com and just shop. Have some fun. These ukes are definitely high quality and I highly recommend them. You can't find them anywhere other than the Leolani Ukulele website. I don't think you can find them on Amazon. If they were on Amazon, I would put the link to their Amazon store, but they don't have one. So just shop at leolaniukulele.com if you really do want one. Again, highly recommend this one. And I have another one with a pickup, which I actually did previously to this video. I uploaded a video and I showed that one off. And it's also a thin bodied, the uke that I did previous. But this one, absolutely love it as well. One of my favorites. So thank you to Kumu for sending me this and for partnering with me and letting you guys have 10% off, which is freaking awesome. But anyways, hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Let me know, give me song recommendations, song requests. What tutorials do you want to see? What covers, what play-alongs? What do you want to see on this channel? Let me know in the comments below. I was going to say description, but you can't edit the description on this video because it's not your channel. But you can leave comments. So thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you. I love you. I do. I really do love you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.